This alert was requested by the United States government. A biological hazardous materials warning has been issued for these counties: Lake County, Geauga County, Cuyahoga County, Ashtabula County, Trumbull County, Portage County, Summit County, Medina County, Lorain County. If you are located in any of these counties, listen to the following instructions. Don't go outside, lock all windows and doors, and turn any system that pulls in any contaminated air from outside off to keep a sealed environment. Wait for medical and emergency services.